So if you have a diesel and you reach behind the car with your finger and touch the block right between the valve cover and the block, you can do right here. And if you get oil on your hands, this is what will catch your car on fire because it's dripping down onto the exhaust. So you might want to replace the valve cover. I saw the YouTube videos about replacing just the gasket, and what happens is you can replace it 20 times, but the valve cover is still warped, so it doesn't work. And another issue I found, that this see that thing right there? It's like ribbed hose. That usually cracks too. That goes from the PCV valve to the top of the engine. So you might want to replace that or put a catch can in. I'm planning on putting in a catch can in. I already bought one, and we're probably going to do that later this week or next week. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean off the back of this. I don't know if you can see that.